You and I know how very important Ghana card is here in this country, and unfortunately for someone, he or she has misplaced his Ghana card or her Ghana card, and you've seen this Ghana card somewhere. How do you make sure the person gets the Ghana card back? Let me show you how. First of all, dial *402# and go for option number 1. And here make sure you type in the Ghana card number as it is on the Ghana card. So here you type in the person's date of birth. You make sure you don't space them, you don't bring any dash or any slash, just type in the number like the example over there. And you receive this prompt and you wait for your message from NIA. So here is the message we received from NIA. You will see the numbers registered on this Ghana card, and the moment you see the numbers registered on the Ghana card, make sure you call one of them, or if it is one, you call that number and then inform the person that his or her Ghana card is with you, and you arrange for the person to come take his or her Ghana card. So this is the simplest way you return the person's Ghana card back to him or her. And at the same time, you can also use this same procedure to know the number of or the numbers you've registered with your Ghana card, with your own Ghana card. And if you find some number or you find a certain number on the Ghana card that you don't know or that doesn't belong to you, the only thing you do is you take your Ghana card and then you go to the offices of your network, which is either MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, all the networks, the one you are using. You go to their office and you tell them that you have a certain number on your Ghana card which doesn't belong to you, and they will remove that number off the Ghana card for you. So I hope this video helps. Hassan here. Don't forget to follow me for more tips. Bye bye.